Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to copy a page in Hostinger website builder. This is the original contact us page, and this is the copied one. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to the websites page, and next to the website that you want to copy or duplicate a page on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and the current pages that I have on this website are the home page, menu, order online, and contact us. Let's say that I want to copy or duplicate this contact us page, for example, for any purpose. So click on these three dots and select duplicate. As you see here, contact us copy. This is the new copy, and this is the original one. And automatically the copied page shows up here. Now let's see how to hide this copy page without deleting it from my website. Simply drag and move it here below hidden from navigation. And so this page is not completely deleted from my website. It's only hidden from this navigation area. Always after duplicating a page or copying a page, don't forget to update the website from here. Or before updating, let's restore this from this hidden area like this, and then publishing my changes. Let's view my website live, and just like that, this is the copied page, and this is the original one. And this is how to duplicate or copy a page in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.